Now again, once again, I will just give a recap of these letters, your sound and also your action for each letter. Now first you have S, 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 S. So can we go along with the action, children? Yes. S, S, S. I want you to watch my action. S. A, 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 A. So again, A, A, A. T, 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 T. Once again, T, T, T. Next one is I. Your next letter is I and your sound is the sound for I and A. Okay, so S, S, A, A, T, T, and A. And now what you learned is P, 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 P. Okay, so I think you will remember these letters, the sound and the action. Now for P, we have few words that you are going to learn with P. Alright, now your first picture, what is this? Pineapple, pineapple. Again, pineapple. Once again, P, pineapple. Next one, pig. Again, if you cannot get the pronunciation, on your finger, pig, pig. Next one, panda. What is this? Panda. So again, panda, panda. Next one, parrot, parrot, parrot. Over here, penguin, penguin, penguin. Now your last one, pencil. Again, pencil, pencil. Once again, can we see this, children? Yes. P, 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 P. What's your first one? Pineapple. What's the first one? Pineapple. P, pineapple. Next one, pig, P, pig, P, pig. Your next, panda. Your next one is panda, P, panda, P, panda. Next one, parrot, P, parrot, P, parrot. Pencil, P, pencil. Your last one, penguin. Again, P, penguin. Okay, so with P you have pineapple, pig, panda, parrot, penguin and pencil. So all of them are starting with your sound P. All of them starting with your sound P. Okay, so this is clear.